In this video, we will cover how to preview or process a payroll in Employer on the Go. Depending on the user permissions granted by your payroll company, you may or may not have access to all the features discussed in this video. Once your payroll transactions have been saved in the Enter Payroll area, you can preview or process a payroll by selecting the Preview Payroll button at the top of the Enter Payroll screen. Alternatively, you could access the same area from the main menu under Payroll, Preview Payroll. When you select on Preview, the system will advance to the Preview Payroll screen. Here, the system always queues up your next scheduled pay date based on the dates on the employee record. So my pay period is 9/15 to 9/28, pay date 10/4. It'll also display the employee count and the pay frequency. If there is more than one payroll showing in this window, you may have multiple pay frequencies set up for your company or possibly an unclosed manual payroll in the system. The combine indicator equals true if you have multiple pay frequencies and your weekly, biweekly, or semi-monthly, monthly pay dates are previewed or processed together. Under Options, you may do a one-time override of the standard pay date by selecting Manual Check Date. Either key the date into the field or select a date from the calendar to the right. Advanced Zero Pay choice should be used if you are skipping a pay cycle. It is important to account for every pay date for a pay frequency so that all tax payments are generated correctly. Use Block All Direct Deposit for a one-time override of all employees' direct deposits. If just one employee direct deposit needs to be overridden, this may be done in the employee record on their direct deposit tab by selecting the 1X disabled checkbox. If there's only one pay date in the window, the system will select it by default. If there are multiple payrolls displayed, click on the payroll you want to preview or process, then select the preview icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to send it to be calculated by the system. The processing payroll box will pop up on your screen. Once the preview is complete, the system will return any errors that occurred during processing and also pop up an OK button once it is done. So I have one error. Select the OK button, and it'll pop up so you can view your exceptions or any errors that you have in detail. You can here select the Excel icon in the upper right-hand corner to view any exceptions or errors in detail. You can export them. To correct any errors that come up, and just be advised, some of them may not need to be corrected. They might just be warnings. Like this employee's accrual balance is negative. Maybe your policy allows people to go negative. So it could just be a warning and may not need to be corrected. If it does need to be corrected, go to the source. Employee setup, company setup, wherever the error is generating from, update the information and then re-preview or process your payroll until it is perfect. You would select this View Preview icon on the bottom of the screen to pop up a payroll detail report in the report viewer. From there, the payroll detail can be printed, exported, or emailed. An estimated payroll expense will display to the right of the exception screen for your review. If any numbers here appear to be incorrect, go back to Pay Entry and review your information. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact your payroll company.